Hi, I'm Mr. C, and welcome back to the Footlocker Project. Today we're going to talk about military artifacts that will satisfy your hunger for learning. Just like pound cake. Think about a time when you've gone camping or spent the night over a friend's house. Just like you, military service members have to pack essentials in order to be able to survive and do the job that they need to do. I have some food rations from World War II. In fact, this can, it says that the contents are a biscuit, confection, and beverage. And you might be thinking, what is that? Honestly, I don't know, but I do know that this was canned a long time ago. And you're probably wondering, how do I get into this? Because if I'm out doing things, I have to find a way to get into this container. And they give you a key. They give you a little piece that you can smack in there and open it up. I'm not allowed to open this because this is an artifact, but inside of it, you can actually hear the stuff that's in there. How do I cook something when I'm out in the field or doing work? I've got this handy dandy, looks like a pot. Oh, that's cool. So I've got a pan I can actually cook. And then I've got this, looks like a plate where I could put some of my food that I've warmed up and keep it separated. What I like about this the most is for easy transport. It's been designed so that the lid and the base can actually just close. And now I can put it back into my bag and carry it around with ease. That's actually a really cool design. This here is a canteen. It's actually from World War I. What I like about it the most is you can tell it's been used. But it has a lid. Put the water in it, you put fresh water in it, and it's attached with the chain. And the reason canteens are really so important is that it allows soldiers, when they're out in the battlefield or when they're deployed or when they're doing something, to have fresh water with them. This ensures that they know what they're drinking. Canteens have evolved over time. Canteens today are better insulated. They allow the water to stay cooler, and it's probably also a little bit bigger. But this is really cool, and here it's kind of indented, and I'm assuming that is so that when it's kind of maybe in my pack or against my leg, that it kind of takes the shape of my leg so that it doesn't take as much space up and kind of flop around and hanging on my side. Socks are something that fascinate me. Why? Because I wear them every single day, and they're so critical so I don't get blisters and sore feet when I'm walking around and doing my job. Just like our military service member, socks do that for them. When they're out in the field, they're marching in their boots, they've got to make sure that their toes and tootsies are comfortable. It kind of looks like the same thing we wear today, right? The sock doesn't look much different. I've also got underwear, long underwear. These are used to keep your body warm, heated. When you're outside in the cold, you want to maintain that thermal energy that your body is producing. How do you do it? You wear long underwear. You put it underneath your uniform and you're set, ready to roll. That paired with a good pair of socks, very helpful. One of the neatest little gadgets and artifacts we have is this simple pack of tissues. That's right, Scott's tissues. Need to blow your nose? Got it. Need to wipe your bottom? Got it. But this is just a little pack of tissues from World War II. I don't want to open it, but it looks like there's probably 5 or 6 little tissues in there. Yeah, that's so important to have. Whether you're using it to blow your nose or you're using it to wipe your bottom, having some toilet paper is critical when you're out in the field. You never know when you're going to have to go potty. What if you were to go on a trip, say to a desert island? What would you take? What are the essential components so that you could survive? Would you take pound cake? A pot or a pan to cook with? Your canteen for water? Some tissues just in case you've got to go potty? Or that handy dandy foot powder to keep your tootsies dry? Have fun and join me next time here at the Footlocker Project.